Hey, I am Chinu and she's my friend.
Hello.
Today we'll talk about our daily life using simple present tense that we have covered in our previous video. So stay tuned till end
And repeat this lesson as many times as possible to gain the fluency.
Let's start friends meeting after work. Hey Ria, how does your day usually go?
Hello, I start early. I reach the office by 9 and check my emails first.
Same here, I work with a small team and handle customer calls.
That sounds busy. Where do you live now?
I live near the main road, so I travel easily.
Nice. I stay close to the metro station and save a lot of time.
What does your manager expect from you?
She expects clear reports and regular updates.
Our manager prefers quick meetings, keeps everything short.
That helps. How does your team work together?
We coordinate well and share information daily.
Good. What do they focus on these days?
They focus on client satisfaction and delivery speed.
Sounds professional. How does the new system perform?
It runs smoothly and supports our work.
Great. What do you usually do after office hours?
I go for a walk, practice English, and relax at home.
Same here. I watch videos, read articles, and improve my vocabulary.
Who prepares dinner at your place?
My mother cooks and I help with chopping vegetables.
Nice teamwork. My brother handles groceries and cleans the kitchen.
That works well. Shall we meet again tomorrow?
Yes, I finish work at 6, so let's meet after 6 in the evening.
Perfect. I'll wait near the cafe. Thank you for watching us. Please subscribe, like, and share, and follow for more updates.